unboxing. Timemore, congratulations. Do not wash grinder with water, soap, alcohol, or it will lose bearing, cause the bearing to lose its lubrication. Ayan pong bag. Merong instruction manual, warranty, feels premium. You know. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Ilang clicks. Chestnut. Fine. Chaba. Uy, swabe oh. Ang seal bearing. Yeah.
Hashtag brewdol.
Ito ba?
Hashtag first impression. Hashtag Timemore C2 grinder. Alright, quick backgrounder. If you're not familiar with the channel, I like bikes, I like bikepacking, I like coffee, I like drinking coffee, I like to make coffee outside. A freshly brewed cup of coffee is always a good idea. The same as bikes, you need upgrades. You know, it's nice to try different equipment, different parts, components. Same din sa kape. Actually, babawiin ko yung sinabi ko. You don't really need all of that. You know, you could stick with your instant coffee. It's still coffee, but I drink coffee every day, and why not, you know, do it the best way you can? Parang ganun.
Ito ba? Ano ba to? Si ikot na yan.
So this little kit retails for around 3,000 pesos for the grinder and comes with the dripper, the Timemore Crystal dripper.
Premium feels designed for a cup of good coffee. Hey, filter. Hey. Yo. Ang hawakan. Ayan. Parang V60. V60 na plastic. Ganda. I like it. So yeah. My brewdol.
And anyway, just to define brewdol, from the root word budol sa biking, it means lolokohin mo yung kasama mo na hindi mahirap yung rota, or sabihin mo banayad lang yung ahon pero hindi pala. Yun yung budol.
Brewdol, yan. Brew kasi coffee. So parang
yung lolokohin mo sarili mo, no? To buy more coffee stuff.
Over the years.
Ayan. Basically, parang ganon.
Coffee paraphernalia is less expensive than bicycle parts. I don't plan on going the espresso route either, and the Comandante is not on my wish list.
Rotate clockwise for finer grinding. Rotate anti-clockwise for coarser grinding. Clockwise. You can first start point, lid, and pour coffee beans inside from the top of the grinder. Click.
I usually use 13 grams of coffee with 250 grams of water. Yun. Parang yun yung standard ko lagi, and then I just calibrate kung anong bagay sa beans, what works, whatever works, I just calibrate after.
Oh, bilis. Ang bilis. Oh my God, ang bilis.
Magandang grinder yung mahal. Ito yung luma ko. Okay, to test with
Pero
just for comparison, just to test with other grinders.
and pwede naman. Kaya naman, matagal ko rin pinagtiyagaan. Pero nakakailang beses na ako sira ng Burr eh. Yung part na to, nasisira. Dito yan. And, you know.
This is the cheapest manual grinder. Just got it off Lazada or Shopee.
Into
Parang twice na ako nakasira ng ganitong Burr. So I ended up buying two, and then later on decided to just buy replacement Burrs. The Burr's still intact, it's just that plastic part yung nasisira. Well, not bad for the price, around 300, 400 pesos, 500. Yeah, somewhere there. It just takes a long time to grind. I didn't complain before, and after using the Timemore, it seems like it's taking forever. So parang it took me around 5 minutes to grind the same amount, the 13 grams.
Yun yung grind niya. May mga fines. Pero hindi ko sure parang medium fine yung grind na to.
And then ito naman, it's Alocs 3-in-1, 4-in-1 coffee kit. It's a Cafflano Knock Off. Has a better grinder. It grinds a bit faster, but not as fast as the C2 grinder.
Dito diretso na sa dripper.
It has a ceramic burr. I did grind it a bit faster kasi medyo coarse yung settings ko. Pero yeah, this one's a lot better than the cheapo one. And I still like this kit.
Burr din.
But yun, may crack ko. I don't know kung may replacement ito.
Parang iniingatan ko na rin. Ito.
Then the ever reliable blade grinder. It's reliable. It doesn't really break easily. This one's Krups. Pero kung hindi ka maarte, okay to. Pero you can't bring it outside, right? So yun nga lang, hindi consistent yung grind. And then have this Burr electric Burr grinder, which is great. It's awesome. A lot better than the blade grinder. And you could adjust from fine to coarse. But the thing is, it's not really too coarse. It's barely even medium, I guess. I like it a bit coarser, just like here with the C2, with the Timemore C2 grinder.
Course niya. Parang sakto. Ang dating ng 200. Walang bloom. Luma nga eh. Okay. Welcome that. Calibrate. Recalibrate. Oh, it's good. Sarap.
Babasahin ko yung nakasulat sa website. C2 grinder, high quality, professional, no static electricity. Perfect height. So, own a high quality manual grinder, 4 color option, CNC processing, sharp grinder, Burr to ensure longer lifespan. Yeah, it's steel Burr. Dual bearings, fixed central shaft to ensure fluency and consistency for the grinding. So hexagon lock, crank handle. Ay, watch out pala to sa, watch out lang sa crank handle na to, nababasag pala pag nahulog. And then sharp stainless steel Burr. I wonder how long this will last. Patented point-to-point coarseness adjuster. Okay, overall, I like it. And it grinds really fast. Parang dun pa lang, sold na ako. Worth the 3,000. Ewan ko lang yung mga ibang grinders. Meron mga ibang grinders sa market na steel Burr din. But yeah, this one's good. And I hope it lasts. And another question would be, would I bring this bike touring or with coffee outside or bike packing. It's a bit heavy, around almost half a kilo. So
That looks
I'd
good.
probably think twice bring it along. I don't know. Mabigat eh. So,
Medyo
yun lang. Yung downside nito. Medyo mabigat.
65 grams.
I hope informative yung post na to. And for more content like this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Alright, thanks. Oh, crema. Look at that. Crema-like. Gamit ko Prismo Fellow with AeroPress.